ban penjanya ke jingeh dei jong ki paidbah bat katanat pulet ka Director General of Police jong ke jala Mikhalia ke kong ida shisha Nongrang hne ke sngi kala ailat ki paidbah bakin wani kynduh bat ka bat banya peliu ya kita ki jingeh ki ba maki ki ya kynduh kani ke dei ke sinjam ka ban nengkong ka ba nagleng jong ka DGP bat thamai kala shim ya kani ban ailat ya ki paidbah ban wani kynduh bat ka markman bat banya peliu ya kita ki jingeh ki ba ki ya kynduh ha kani ke sin ka ban nengkong kani ka sngi ka ban nengkong ka ba maka kala ailat ki paidbah ban wani kynduh ki don kamba arpo ngut kentup ya ki riew simet bat ki kynhun ki balawan ban ya kynduh ya ke DGP mat ya peliu ya kita ki jingeh ki ba maki ki man.
People from various walks of life had come in and various things. Some of them had come in with grievances, some of them had come in with requests for help. A couple of them were related to issues with our serving policemen. Two of them were with issues of policemen who had died while on duty and requests for a compassionate appointment, etc. We have noted most of the things. There were a few who had just come in on a congratulatory note, so I had a couple of minutes with all of them, and some which is not in my charter, but since they had come, so then accordingly advised them to take it up with the concerned authorities.
The immediate request which you can address, can you tell us?
I beg your pardon?
Among the
immediate requests, yes, there are some requests for. Wait, let me tell you what I can do immediately. Okay, there. There was two delegations, two groups which come in with regard to people with disabilities. They had wanted some kind of a training capsule for especially for the traffic policemen, personnel who, so that they can address the issues for people with disabilities. That we will be implementing immediately. There was one request for some kind of public nuisances being carried out in different parts of the city. That we would address immediately. Then other things would take a bit of time. There was, like I said, there was some from the insurance also who wanted to conduct awareness programs, and there was a complaint from, not a complaint, a request from these taxi aggregators. So unfortunately, that is not my charter, so I've told them then, and immediately the other things, no, those are the issues that would be addressed immediately.
So since it is a new initiative, how do you see the response?
I would say it was pretty good response for the thing. There were quite a few calls asking if we could come on other days. I said yes, but on other days you would have to take a prior appointment. Today you could just walk in and come.
And today altogether, how many have met you?
I have 22 groups. Some of them were just individuals. Some of them had come in groups of 2s and 3s. So,
are there any issues related to crime, especially crime against women?
Crime against women, not. Yes, there was one.